Latvia's recent acquisition of 42 ASCOD Infantry Fighting Vehicles from General Dynamics European Land Systems, Santa Barbara Sistemas, represents a pivotal milestone in the modernization of its national armed forces. Valued at €373 million, this contract, signed on January 30th, 2025, introduces Latvia's first ever IFVs, addressing a critical gap in its military inventory, as noted in the Military Balance 2024 report. Driven by heightened geopolitical tensions in Eastern Europe, particularly Russia's ongoing aggression in Ukraine, Latvia's investment in the state-of-the-art ASCOD platform underscores its commitment to enhancing national defense, strengthening NATO's eastern flank, and fostering regional security. The ASCOD IFV, developed collaboratively by GDEL Santa Barbara Sistemas of Spain and Steyr of Austria, is a highly versatile, tracked armored vehicle renowned for its operational reliability and adaptability. With over 1,100 units in service globally across variants like Spain's Pizarro, Austria's Ulan, and the UK's Ajax, the ASCOD is a proven platform adopted by several NATO and European nations. Its modular design supports multiple configurations, including infantry transport, reconnaissance, and fire support, making it ideal for modern combat scenarios. The vehicle boasts formidable firepower, typically equipped with a 30mm Mk44 Bushmaster cannon in an Elbit MT-30 two-man turret, a 7.62mm coaxial machine gun, and the option for anti-tank guided missile systems to counter armored threats. Its advanced fire control system ensures precise targeting, while digital battlefield management systems enhance situational awareness and interoperability with allied forces. The ASCOD's protection includes NATO STANAG 4569 Level 4 ballistic and mine resistance, with optional modular armor upgrades to Level 6 for enhanced survivability against RPGs and IEDs. Powered by a 600 to 810 kilowatt engine and featuring a torsion bar suspension, the vehicle achieves speeds up to 70 kilometers per hour and a 500 kilometers range, excelling in diverse terrains like Latvia's muddy and snowy landscapes. Latvia's selection of the ASCOD followed a rigorous international competition in 2023, where it outperformed alternatives like the Swedish CV90 and South Korean K21 Redback in mobility, survivability, and firepower tests, aligning perfectly with the country's operational needs and NATO interoperability standards. The procurement process for the ASCOD IFVs began in early 2023 with a feasibility study, followed by functional trials in autumn 2023 to evaluate competing platforms. After extensive testing, Latvia selected the ASCOD in November 2024 for its cost-effectiveness, operational suitability, and potential for local industry involvement. The €373 million contract, finalized in January 2025, includes logistics support and allocates approximately 30% of its value to Latvia's defense industry for component manufacturing, maintenance, and support services. This deal, priced at roughly €8.8 to €9 million per vehicle, is competitive within the global arms market and reflects Latvia's strategic prioritization of defense modernization amid regional security concerns. Deliveries are scheduled to commence in 2026 and conclude by 2027, equipping one mechanized infantry battalion of the Latvian National Armed Forces. The swift timeline from negotiations to contract signing highlights Latvia's urgency to bolster its land forces in response to evolving threats, particularly given its proximity to Russia and Belarus. The ASCOD IFVs will serve as the cornerstone of Latvia's mechanized infantry, fulfilling a critical role in enhancing the country's land-based combat capabilities. Unlike the lighter Patria 6x6 armored personnel carriers previously in Latvia's inventory, the ASCOD provides superior firepower, protection, and mobility, enabling rapid troop deployment, direct fire support, and anti-armor operations. Its advanced weapon systems, including the 30mm autocannon, ATGM integration, and remotely operated weapon stations, allow it to engage diverse threats effectively, from infantry to armored vehicles. The vehicle's modular armor and digital integration ensure high survivability and seamless coordination with NATO forces, making it a vital asset for joint operations. the ASCOD's purpose aligns with Latvia's state defense concept, which emphasizes deterrence, increased firepower, and the ability to limit enemy freedom of movement across land, sea, and air. By introducing IFVs, Latvia transitions from a light infantry-focused force to a mechanized one, capable of addressing modern warfare challenges in the Baltic region's complex security environment. Implementation of the ASCOD IFVs will involve integrating the 42 vehicles into one mechanized infantry battalion, with training programs for crews and maintenance personnel expected to start before deliveries in 2026. Latvia's ASCODs will likely feature customer-specific adaptations, such as the Elbit MT-30 turret and composite rubber tracks from SOSI, as tested in 2023, optimizing performance in Baltic terrains. Local industry participation, mandated by the contract's 30% domestic investment, will include maintenance facilities, component production, and knowledge transfer, fostering Latvia's defense sector growth. Looking ahead, Latvia may expand its ASCOD fleet if additional funding becomes available, potentially acquiring variants like reconnaissance or command vehicles based on the ASCOD Common Base platform. Future contracts could involve local assembly or production, building on the current deal's industrial cooperation to enhance self-sufficiency. Complementary acquisitions, such as HIMARS rocket artillery, IRIS-T air defense systems, and wheeled self-propelled howitzers, will create a balanced multi-domain force, further integrating the ASCOD into Latvia's defense ecosystem. The vehicles will also support Latvia's participation in NATO exercises and forward presence missions, reinforcing its role in collective defense. The ASCOD acquisition has profound impacts on Latvia and the broader Baltic region. For Latvia, the IFVs significantly enhance military capability, providing a modern platform that addresses a long-standing mechanized gap. This strengthens national defense, boosts strategic confidence, and ensures greater resilience against potential threats. The deal's industrial benefits, including job creation and technology transfer, stimulate economic growth and reduce reliance on foreign support, aligning with Latvia's goal of a robust defense industry. Within NATO, the ASCOD reinforces Latvia's credibility, demonstrating its commitment to collective defense and interoperability on the alliance's eastern flank. Regionally, the acquisition bolsters Baltic defense, complementing Estonia's and Lithuania's modernization efforts and enhancing NATO's deterrence posture. It sends a clear geopolitical signal to potential adversaries, underscoring Latvia's and NATO's resolve to counter aggression. Furthermore, the deal strengthens ties with Spain and other ASCOD operators, fostering European defense cooperation. By setting a model for local industry involvement, Latvia's approach may inspire similar strategies in the Baltic states, promoting regional defense self-sufficiency. In conclusion, Latvia's acquisition of 42 ASCOD IFVs is a strategic leap in its defense modernization, driven by regional security imperatives and NATO commitments. The $373 million deal, with deliveries set for 2026-2027, equips Latvia with a versatile, combat-ready platform that enhances deterrence, firepower, and mobility. Through local industry involvement and potential future expansions, Latvia is not only fortifying its military but also fostering economic and strategic growth. Regionally, the ASCOD strengthens Baltic and NATO defense, signaling unity and resilience in a volatile geopolitical landscape. As Latvia integrates these vehicles into its forces, it solidifies its role as a proactive contributor to collective security, ready to meet the challenges of modern warfare.